All right. Keep it coming. All right, you're on the verge on the driver's side. Slowly. Coming down. You're coming down.
All right.
And there you go.
Oh, this is gonna hurt coming down.
Yep. Little back end crunch. It's all right. That's what the bumpers are for. All right, here you go on the passenger side. You're about to come down. And down you go. Boom.
What am I caught up on?
Nothing.
Am I all the way down on this tire?
Nope, you're on your bumper.
Oh.
There you go, you're sliding off. Keep coming. Oh! Dude, it's awesome. Your rear tire's still not on the ground. You're still on your bumper. There you go. Now he's got it. All right, good job. Nice. Ah, there it is again. Get some. Oh, that's good articulation. Oh, wheel lift. Yeah, baby. Woo. You're down.